16. Missionary. Do it. Do I truly need to explain this one? Okay, lie on your back while he lies face down over you. Why? This sex position is basic, rich, viable, and shockingly flexible. Vanilla, sure, yet tasty. Make it more blazing, you can definitely change the sensation for both of you by moving the edge of your legs. 17. Cross booty. Do it. Your accomplice enters you from the missionary position, then slides his chest and legs off your body so his pelvis is in the same area. However, his appendages structure X with yours. Why? You feel a greater amount of his body moving with this sex position. Make it more blazing, utilize this extraordinary point to knead his back, butt, or legs as he pushes. He'll go insane, as will you, watching him. 18. The caboose. Do it. While he sits on the bed or seat, back yourself into his lap and spoon one another while situated. Why? You can't see your accomplice during this sex position, which means fantasizing is simpler and can add to the excitement. Make it more sultry, fix the muscles of your pelvic floor so you can grasp him and keep him hard AF. 19. Scoop me up. Do it. Both of you lie on your sides, confronting the same heading. You bring your knees up somewhat while your accomplice slides up behind your pelvis and enters you from behind. You may likewise realize this as spooning. Why? This sex position takes into consideration more skin-to-skin contact, expanding your incitement. Make it more blazing, have your accomplice place his hands on your shoulders to build the power and profundity of the push.